Hey, what's up everyone? Happy Tuesday! So I just wanted to show you a quick oil that is amazing for your scalp, and each ingredient, it really doesn't take much ingredients, but each ingredient is so beneficial and amazing for your hair, because I'll tell you why. So I'm going to show you the 3 ingredients that you are going to need, and I'm going to tell you the benefits of each. And I actually have them down in my notes because I have mommy brain, and your mommy brain gets worse after you have more than one child. So I have 2 children, so my mommy brain is double. So I have to write things down in order for me to remember most of the stuff. So I'm going to start with the first ingredient. So the first ingredient is Indian mustard oil. I have been using this for years and I love it. It is amazing. So let me get to the point because I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to waste your time. So mustard seed oil, it helps to stimulate the hair growth by increasing blood circulation in your scalp. It contains protein, a major component of hair, and omega-3 fatty acids, which both nourish your hair and encourage hair growth. And it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and which also, this oil is also good if you are suffering from hair loss for whatever reason. This is supposed to help seriously do the trick. So give it a try. I kind of like the way it smells. It smells very strong. I'm glad it's not a perfume because I would not wear it as a perfume, but I don't mind the smell. Some people might think it really stinks, but I don't mind the smell. The next ingredient is castor oil. I'm sure everybody heard about castor oil. It definitely helps in promoting hair growth. So let me pull out my handy dandy notebook. So castor oil is antibacterial and antifungal properties, makes it beneficial against folliculitis, dandruff, and scalp infections, and its ricinoleic acid contents help increase circulation to the scalp and improve hair growth. So there we go again, another amazing oil to help promote hair growth, which we all want. And the last ingredient, some people might think it's a little crazy. Some people might say, hey, I heard about that being really good for hair growth. MSM oil. Well, not oil, but powder. They do come in a capsule. I've never tried the capsule, but this is the only one I've ever tried, which is the powder. And I'll tell you the benefits right now. So MSM is a sulfur compound found naturally in the body that can be used to treat osteoporosis and joint inflammation. And also here's another thing that helps with people who are suffering from hair loss. So this is another thing you might want to try. There's been a lot of positive feedback on this in helping that. And yes, I know you see the word joint health. Yes, this is technically used for joint health. A lot of people consume this, but in this case, I am not using it for joint health. I am not consuming it. You can consume it if you want to, but I'm using it for my hair growth. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is one of the other main ingredients of this oil that I used, is rosemary essential oil. Okay, there we go. It's focused. Rosemary essential oil. It is super beneficial. Rosemary helps to stimulate your follicles. It helps with promoting hair growth, and not just growing your hair, but helping your hair to get strengthened, to get really strong. You can also massage it into your scalp to help remove dandruff, and you can also use it on your pets as well to help the growth and stimulate it, and it helps their coats to be nice and shiny. And also, I have not tried it, but I've heard many stories about this oil helping with lice as well. So if you know anybody who has lice, you could recommend this oil to them. That rosemary essential oil does help, and this helps to stimulate your hair growth as well. So another major ingredient in this oil that I'm showing you how to make. So the next main ingredient too, which is the last, is peppermint essential oil. Is it focused? Is it focused? Is it focused? Focus, focus, focus. All right, there it goes. It's focused. You can see it. Awesome. So peppermint essential oil is so amazing, and it's so stimulating. As soon as you have it, like as soon as your scalp feels peppermint, you could feel it tingling, and like it feels really good and soothing and cooling. But peppermint also is not just it doesn't just invigorate the scalp, but it also helps to stimulate your hair growth as well. So each ingredient in this oil is going to help promote and support the hair growth in your hair, in your follicles, that is. But yes, I will put the link on the bottom of where you can get these exact oils, which I am recommending. I cannot recommend other oils from other companies because I really don't know how they grow their plants to distill the oils from the plants, but I do know that Young Living, where I get my oils from, they own all their own farms all around the world, and they are in charge of the process on how the oils are made. You could actually go and visit the farms and see how these oils are distilled from the plant yourself with your own eyes, which is so beautiful. And I love that because you know that there's no chemicals, there's no synthetics, there's no fillers in these oils. It is straight plant. So these oils are potent. Put it in a bottle like this. See, this is what it's going to look like after. And every time I go to use it, because I kind of make it so that way I can use it several times, so that way I don't have to make it each time. You just want to shake it. But it's really nice. It's not super liquidy because the oils that I'm using, like the mustard seed oil and the castor oil, are kind of thick, but it's really nice. So yep, and mind you, I suck at measuring, so please bear with me. If you could just guess how much I'm putting. I know I did about two teaspoons of the powder. So, but you can put as much oils of the other oils that you want, and you can use other oils too. You don't have to just use the oils that I'm using in this video, but those are just the choices that I've chosen for this video for what I'm making. But you could use other oils like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, avocado oil. Those oils are very good too. So I'll let you see the rest of the video on how I put it together. And I hope you enjoy this oil. I hope it works for you because it works for me. And if it doesn't work for you, I am sorry. You might want to try something else. But give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Love you. Bye.
Before anything began between us, you were like my best friend. The one that's no suggest of nice things I should do. When I go home at night and lay my head down, all I seem to think about is you. So the one that hooked us up, knowing she said that I love her to call it. I do. Say goodbye. Do no business.